Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my wardrobe and my laundry. So first of all, my wardrobe is very untidy right now because all week's clothes are like a mess and the next week starts tomorrow. So before the next week starts, I always make sure to clean my wardrobe so all my clothes are at easy access. I fixed you guys. Now firstly I need to clean my spectacles. They are like not clean. So let me just clean them. Nice, they're clean. Okay, so my wardrobe is really untidy. Let's start by putting things on hangers. I have my coat here. Let's put it on hanger. This is the hanger which I use for my coat. It's really big, so my coat fits on it nicely. Because some of my hangers are small and my coat doesn't fit on them. And this is the only coat I have for winters, and it's really good. I think you should guys should buy a coat like this. It's really great idea. I'm not gonna put it because I'll put it on when the entire place is cleaned. This is a shirt I wore on my summer camp for Saturday, and I just placed it in my wardrobe, not thinking about putting it on hangers. And I only do laundry for the clothes which are like 2 to 3 days old. I just wore this t-shirt for one time, so I don't think I should clean it in laundry. That's why I'm not going to. I'll wear it for 2 3 more times and then I'll put it in the laundry. And this is my hoodie. I mostly now wear it for nights because the temperature is hot during the day and it's perfect to wear at nights when it's a bit cold. So when in the morning I remove my night suit, I just forget to put it on hanger. This is my school uniform. I don't know why, but I just put it like that. And this needs to be clean, so I'm gonna do this in the laundry. And this is my school upper. This also needs to be cleaned, so this will also go in the laundry. I'm also gonna show you guys how I do my laundry, so make sure to wait for that. That will be after I clean my wardrobe. And cleaning my wardrobe is one of the things I have in the to-do list for today. That's why I'm doing it now. Then this is also one thing I'm gonna put in the laundry because I don't know, it's I've worn for several days. This is new, so I think I'll just. And I also need to take out my summer clothes because the winter clothes are like not needed anymore since it's getting summery. Anyways, okay, all my clothes are done. Let's put my coat. So that's all, I guess. Now let's go and wash these clothes. So the washing machine is on the terrace. Let's go from this side and then we can just put them in the washing machine and then it'll automatically wash them, and then after like 30 minutes or something I need to take them out. So this is the washing machine. It is LG fully automatic washing machine, and it's perfect because clothes are really easy to wash in this. So firstly all I need to do is open it, and then I need to put the clothes in it. So when I'm putting the clothes, I think I put them one by one because that way they are like really easy to wash. Anyways, let me show it to you guys. So I have like a basket full of clothes. I think it'll take a lot of time to wash. This is my night suit, and then my father's jacket, and then my t-shirt, and then some of my sister's clothes. That's it. So here, let me see, we have a few more things here. There. Now what I need to do is put on, and then close it. There. We need to close this. When it's totally closed, you need to switch on power button. You need to click on this, and when it goes to normal, That's it. The machine has started and it'll do my laundry. Until then, let's go outside. Okay, so okay guys, I've done that and probably take 45 to 50 minutes to do it. So I'm practically free for the timing, and as I told you guys, I need to take out my summer clothes, which is going to be another video. So that's it for today's video. Meet you guys in my next video.